Congratulations to the happy couple. And we'll talk.
Two are located in ceiling compartments in the forward cabin, and two are in ceiling compartments aft of the overview exits. There are also 4 window exits over the wings. If needed,
Dramatic. Got this gigantic car. I don't know. Oh my god. gotta document this big car.
Big ass car. Thank you. Where do we go?
This way. This red one.
Boom boom clap. Live
See the Space Needle. Very small, but it's there. Driving onto the ferry. gonna juggle. Pretty face, anyone hold, I'm gonna waste you and your beautiful soul.
Engine off, set brake.
Where are you seeing that? Oh.
Report emergency responses, ask any crew member, or review the information at the passenger assembly stations. Passengers who may have special needs.
Oh my gosh, it's like 1 p.m.
I got the settings.
We didn't make it to the park. And bro is yawning.
No worries, let's eat.
Okay, go. 开始.
Hola.
I wasn't recording. I was on standby the whole time.
Statics.
Back on my tripod. It's just the portrait mode. Just focus on your face. Morning. This is our second full day in Washington. We are currently living in Port Angeles, which is about 40 minutes driving to the entrance of Olympic National Park. This is our hotel. There's a twin bed that we kind of just use as like a sofa, and then just a queen bed, but it fits us both, and it's just a very like basic inn. Give a debrief of what we're doing today. Oh. Okay, look. There's a place called Shirley's Cafe. This is our third day here. Loading stuff into the car. What is this? It's actually not that cold here, which is kind of unexpected because it was really cold last night. Putting our stuff in. This is the inn that we stayed at last night. We're at Lake Crescent. 네.